Hey friends, Psychobot here. Here I have the Transformers Combining Wars of Air Raid. Hey, what's up guys? So here is the Transformers Combining Wars of Air Raid. And this toy was released in the 2015 and had a pretty long time. Haven't got a chance to review it. So here I am reviewing it right now. So bear with me. So here's the front package looks like. And here's the back view of it. And the front again. Now if you excuse me while I open this package up. And here it is, Air Raid, now the package. So here's the front view, looks like. So here's the side. There's the back. There's the other side. And the front again. And let me give you a closer look at it. And here we have Air Raid, the face. There's the chest, hips, thighs, legs, and the foot. And on the bottom, onto the side, onto the back, on the other side, and the front again. And Air Raid is kind of like Silverbolt color-wise going on. So yeah. And for comparison, here we have G2 of Air Raid. See how they look. And back to back. See how they look. And the front again. There you go. And for his firepower, this is his firepower, the gun. It goes pew pew, bang bang, pew pew, bang bang, pew pew. And there you go. And it's time for transformation. So Air Raid transform. And here we have Skydive in his alt jet mode. So here it is. Here's the front view of it. There's the side. There's the back. Here's the other side. And the front again. And let me give you a closer look at it. There's the front view of it, the pointy nose of the jet. There's the side. There's the top. There's the bottom. There's the back. The other side. And the front again. And for comparison, here we have G2 of Air Raid. See how they look together. And back to back. See how they look. And the front again. And almost forgot. Here it is with Silverbolt together. See how they look. And here it is with Skydive. Forgot to show you that earlier too. And there you go. And to transform Air Raid into a combined war of the arm. So we take Air Raid here and get rid of the firepower. And we're going to untap the top part. And fold it outward like this, like so, and extend this part of the leg like so. I'm gonna tap it in, make it all fit out tight like this, and fold out the wings like that, or you can fold it out like this, however you want it, but I prefer like this. And rotate the arms and goes outward like this. The same thing there's like outward like so. Or we can have this thing go outward, something like that. Or you can have it up or down, however you want it. I like it like this better. And we're gonna rotate of the head this much so we can make the arm part. And we're gonna attach with the fists with it. So we're going like this. And here you have the superior part of the arm of Air Raid. There you go. And you put the firepower on the wings if you want. There you go. And we're gonna bring the silver bolt of the Superion, like so. And we're gonna attach with this arm right here, like that. And we're gonna attach with Air Raid, Skydive, on this part. There you go. Here we have Superion. Now we're going to add to the leg part. So I don't have the G1 of the Superion or the combiners. So I'm going to take one of the G2 of it. So I have to rotate this leg in. Like so. And we're going to tab in with this part. And rotate the foot of it. And we do the same thing of this part. There it is. And there you have it. The Superion. Let's hope this doesn't fall. Let me break this up a little bit. And bringing out the camera. There it is. And there you have Superion. The whole set of it. Except for the legs. But I like it the other way around of the leg. So the body facing forward and the jets facing back. Like this. And rotate the foot. And there you go. This looks much better this way. See the foot, the foot part of the leg, body facing forward, and the jet part facing outward, as you can see. And there you go, the Superion. And here is another one with Evo Superion. See how they look. So there it is. Here's the Evo Superion with the Generation Superion. See how they look. And back to back. See how they look. And the front again. See how they look. And there you go. And And there you have it, folks. This is the Transformers Combining Wars of Air Raid, and this was released in the 2015, and I got to finally to review it. And this is it for me today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comments, and I'll see you in the next video.